All right, Brooks, we're ready for you to load us up.
I'll scoop them up with my dumper.
All right, I think you're pretty full. Let's go. Wow, look at them. They're starting to shrink a little bit.
Yeah, but what are we going to do with these Orbeez?
Good point. What are we going to do with them? Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Today we have a giant kiddie pool full of Orbeez, and we don't know what to do with it.
Can I just dump them out?
I think that would probably kill the grass if we did that. If we leave this here too much longer, it's going to kill the grass, so we better figure out something to do with them. Hey Brooks, hey, I've got an idea. I know what we should do with them.
What is it?
Well, me and my buddies over here, we've got some tubs, and we were thinking you could donate all of these Orbeez.
What do you think, Mom?
I think that's a great idea. Okay, well, let's do it. I'll go get my buddies. Hey, buddies. They said they like our idea.
All right, let's go fill these tubs with Orbeez.
Are you gonna help, Little Red?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's great. What about you? Are you gonna help? Definitely. I definitely can help with that. All right. Hey, Brooks, can you help us by bringing the tubs over there?
Yeah. Oh, these are heavy. Can you help me?
Oh, yeah, put them in my loader. All right, I'll take them over there.
I'll make sure they don't fall out.
Thanks, Brooks.
Great.
Dump them out. All right, what's next?
Now we need these big tubs.
You get that one, I'll get this one. All right, go. Looks like we need someone to lay the tubs out so that the dump trucks can put the Orbeez in them.
I'll do that, because I'm very higher than you.
All right, Brooks, we're ready for you to load us up. You can use me to load them up, Brooks.
I'll scoop them up with my dumper. Let's go.
Me first. All right, I think you're pretty full. Let's go.
Mommy.
All right, Tuesday's gonna help me load up another one. Great work, Tuesday. Beep, beep, beep. Load me up, Brooks. All right, another load of Orbeez. Whoa.
Now it's my turn.
Whoa. All right, big guy, let's go over. Whoa. Ah! Dump it in.
we don't have to dump them in. We can push them in.
Oh, that's smart, Brooks.
Yeah, because this monster truck is the right of the wet size of
Nice.
that.
All right, I think that one's done, buddy. But before we put the lid on it, let's fill these up. Somehow we still have Orbeez left in this pool. Is this crazy?
Yeah, and my leg is hurting.
Your legs are tired? Yeah, there's Orbeez all in the grass over here, like squished around. So hopefully they dry and don't mess up the grass. Now is a really fun part. Me and Brooks have decided that we want to give away 20 of these tubs to a local church, and we're gonna put Hot Wheels cars in them. These right here. Are you excited about that?
We're gonna put them in bags too.
Yeah, we're gonna put them in bags so that they don't get all wet. All right, we're gonna put them in bags. We'll be right back when we're done. Time to get ill.
We need 2 more, Mommy.
You're right, we need 2 more. Hey, do you want to give some of your monster trucks?
Yeah,
Okay, so Brooks thinks that we should give some of his monster trucks. Did you pick some?
I did.
Okay, show them to me.
I love you.
Aww, okay. All right, these 2 monster trucks are gonna go in those 2 boxes right there. Okay, we're gonna put the lids on, and then we're gonna stack them up and send them off.
All right, I'm here to pick up the Orbeez.
Brooks, we are finished. We are ready to send them with Grandma Janice over here. Hi, Grandma Janice. We had a really fun time making this video. If you want to see more videos like this, where we play with Orbeez, Play-Doh, Legos, monster trucks, oh my gosh, so many more things. Go ahead and click on the video you're watching right now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye, dump trucks. Bye. 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 Bye.